grabe si Vegden, binubuhat niya kalaban, binubuhat niya sila first, ano.
From behind!
Uy!
God.
Okay lang, last game pa rin, last game. Uy, grabe si Berg! Ang
Almost
kati!
got-
Si Berg
He
dito.
need to heal up his teammate,
Ang kati ni Berg!
but he has survived. No problem. No problemo.
Ang kati dun, Berg!
Nandito ang ano,
What
RGX.
an amazing
Ay, no,
performance, but Lisa, but he smoked.
Di naman, sorry na, Berg.
Yeah, but speed.
Hindi, partner, sa likod, partner, sa likod yan.
Kaya naman gagawin.
That was a really tight situation. Spot on the line right now.
Ay, kaya si partner, ano sabi si
Is
partner?
him on traction. Are we gonna see a push?
Partner dito, useless na ako.
Are we gonna see a push?
Ay, naman ang isang caster, partner.
Sobrang ganda na nangyari dito.
Oo, partner.
Ganda lang ginagawa.
Oh, partner, maganda laban to. Fireman versus Overlord, partner. Ito na siya, ano, partner.
The man is pushing
4v4 nila, partner.
Dito,
in the middle of the squad,
sumusugod.
not caring.
Partner,
On the fast squad.
ito na, down one. Pati si Berto, partner.
Okay, take the RGX.
Down to. Pwede push siya kanan, partner, ha. Pwede push dyan pa.
3,
Pwede push kanan, ha.
Sinusugod na ni Jeff.
2 with the
Oy! Last game, partner, last game, partner.
They
Ito ni
survived, but
partner.
they managed to finish him. Fair enough.
Tanggal ka, Jeff.
Partner.
But they did manage to.
Nasaan, partner?
But I'm sure this can